Imagine a world where your money, your identity, even your vote can't be hacked. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. We are on the brink of a technological revolution that promises to redefine trust and security in the digital age. Welcome to the future of trust blockchain. What exactly is blockchain? Picture this. Imagine a massive, unbreakable digital chain that spans across the globe, connecting millions of computers and devices. You've got a huge, unbreakable digital chain. Each link in this chain is a block, and each block is packed with data. Each link stores data like who sent money to whom or which document was signed. This data is encrypted and distributed across the entire network, making it nearly impossible to alter or hack. But here's the catch. No one can mess with the links. Not banks, not governments, not hackers. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that no single entity has control over the entire chain. Once it's there, it's locked up tight. The data is immutable, meaning it cannot be changed or deleted once it's been added to the blockchain. It's like the digital version of having a secure vault that everyone can trust. This trust is built on transparency and security, two pillars that are often lacking in traditional systems, but that's just the start. The potential applications of blockchain technology are vast and varied. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. While Bitcoin was the first and most well-known application of blockchain, the technology has evolved far beyond cryptocurrencies. It's changing how we store medical records, how companies trace products, even how artists sell music. Imagine a world where your medical history is securely stored and easily accessible only to authorized personnel. Imagine a farmer in Africa using blockchain to prove the authenticity of his crops. This not only ensures the quality of the produce, but also builds trust with buyers. It ensures he gets a fair price, no middlemen. The farmer can directly connect with buyers, ensuring transparency and fairness in the transaction. No need for banks, lawyers, or even cloud storage. Blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. It's you, the blockchain, and absolute transparency. Every transaction is recorded and visible to all participants, ensuring accountability and trust. But what if I told you blockchain and AI are teaming up? This powerful combination is set to revolutionize industries by enhancing security, efficiency, and decision-making processes. Together, they're creating unstoppable systems, ones that can predict and prevent fraud or even create smarter, decentralized systems. Imagine AI algorithms analyzing blockchain data to detect anomalies and prevent fraudulent activities in real time. So what's your take? Is blockchain the future or just a tech fad? The debate is ongoing, but one thing is clear. Blockchain has the potential to transform the way we interact with the digital world. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this with someone who's still confused about crypto. The more we understand and discuss this technology, the better prepared we'll be for the future.